So, hi everyone, welcome to Placements Ready. This is a different kind of video from our previous videos. This will basically be a mock coding interview with Harikrishna. Let's see how he performs and we will get to know. So, do watch the video till the complete end. And yeah, Harikrishna, please give me a brief intro about yourself.
Sure, sir. So I am Harikrishna. So currently I'm pursuing my BTech in CSE with AI and ML specialization from SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. So my basic interests are towards learning about new technologies and new fields. So I love pursuing about new technology and new fields. So that made me join various technical clubs of my college from first various real life projects as well. So I have done few internships in the fields of web development, AI, ML, Python development, back end, front end, and as a full stack developer as well. So.
Okay. So a Google Doc sheet has been shared with you. Kindly open that and I will be providing a problem to you in the same sheet. Okay.
Sure.
And now I am sharing my screen and you can read about the problem and then code it. Okay. So can you see the problem?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Yeah. Go through it once and do let me know if you feel any difficulty. Okay. Have you understood the problem?
Yes, sir.
So in an interview, you can start with your approach first, and if the approach is well enough, you can code it. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sure. So can I just start explaining with the example, or how should I go about it?
I think the explanation is written, so if you have understood, that's fine. Otherwise, if you have any doubt, you can ask.
Can I just start coding out then, sir?
Like first explain your approach and then only you can start. Okay.
Okay, sir. So my approach to this problem would be in this way, like as given the sentence. So the problem statement, as I understood, is transformation of sequence of words from the beginning word to the end word. That's given in the dictionary. So, for example, we have hot, dot, dog, lot, log, and cock. So there is a word list. It's a sequence of words from beginning to end, and every adjacent pair of words differ by a single word. So as you see, so hot and dot differs by H and D. Dog and dot differs by T and G. Lot and dog differs by only word, that is. Yeah, there are two different words out here, and here also there is only one different word, and here also there is only one different word, sir. So I guess we should have to change this one to some other word so that this becomes a longest pair sequence. So every SI word in the K list, not the beginning word, does not need to be a word list. So SK equal to N word. So given two words, beginning and end word, and the dictionary word list, return the number of words in the shortest transformation sequence.
As you told that you will be trying to change the characters, right? So don't you think that
Yes, sir.
for every word you need to think of so many possible options? You have to optimize that process, right? So what you will do in order to do that?
Yes, sir. So they have given the words list actually. So like say it is starting with hit. So hit is our first word. So in the next word list, we should have checked the word list next. So I will be iterating through the word list and checking whether checking the list. What are the words that are in which only one word is changing or something. So when I iterate, I could get to see hot. So hot comes next. Then I would be iterating through the list again so that only one word is change or something. So dot comes next. Then dog. Lot won't be coming because there is a change of two words out here. So this won't be coming. And log will also not come because yeah. So because we should have to end the list actually. So we'll be ending the list out here. So that's why we get a shortest transformation sequence of 5. They are asking for shortest transformation. So we could change from dog to cog easily. So we don't need to shift to logs. So
okay, that's fine. But will it always be true that only changing a letter can lead you to the result in a shorter way, shorter sequence kind of thing? There you
so sir, we can just
yeah,
yes,
yeah.
sir, we can just check out some of the possible outcomes based on the binary tree actually. So we can just take it out, and which comes out to be the better, we can just take it and use it. I think that would be the better approach.
Okay, so yeah, you can start your code. I have got your approach, what you are going to do. Just implement the function.
Okay, sir, sure. Yeah. So that I could map it with the count of the string, and I could find which character is changing out easily. So that's why I use unordered map.
Okay.
Is that fine, sir?
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah. Check whether the queue is not empty. If the queue is not empty. I should get the word and check whether the next word is changing by one word. So,
But here you need to return at the end the number of transformations. What you are doing?
so
In the end, you need to return the number of transformations, right? So what you are doing in order to take care of that?
So we just have to return the number of words in the list, right? So like what they have asked us in the as in the question is like say the input string is hit. So number of the longest sequence that can be made of shortest transformation. So I'm just removing the lot word so that this becomes a shortest transformation string that has the only one word being changed.
See,
Right, sir?
the problem is starting with the begin word. You need to reach
Yeah.
the end word. And in order
Yes,
to
sir.
do that, you need to do some transformations, and that
Yeah.
transformations can be only those which are in the word list, right? And
Yeah.
at the
That should be of minimum time.
yeah, you have to
Yeah.
minimize that, and at the end the output should be 5. Okay, for this
Yes, sir.
example.
Yeah.
So that's why I am asking what you are doing in order to take care of that.
Take care of the count, right? The number of transformation count. Yes, sir. So first I'll be like in the first I am just making the queue, and I'm just checking whether the queue is empty, and I'll be taking the first word from the queue, and I'll be checking the input from the word list. I'll be taking one of the words, and I'll be checking whether there is only one word transformation between them. And if there is only one word transformation, then I'll be adding it to the queue. Again the queue comes up, and the same process happens, and we increasing the count by I have taken a count variable, and I will be increasing the count, so that in the final I can just give the maximum queue size, queue length, minimum queue length that's needed to get the final outcome.
Okay, try it once.
Yes. in the queue as well. So,
Okay, so yeah, I got your approach. What you are doing initially, you are pushing all the things in the unordered map,
sir, I'm
right?
just pushing I'm just pushing everything. I'm just making a map and I'm just pushing, making into the map. I'm just pushing into the queue and I'm just getting from the queues.
And then you are starting with the begin word, and then you are trying to find those words which
Fine.
are,
Which are changing with one character.
yeah.
Changing
So
one character.
yeah, for in the for loop, C should be equal to Z, right? Less than equal to Z. And then if you are finding a new word, you are updating its count in the unordered map, and then you are pushing it into the queue itself, right? And in the end,
Pushing into the queue and we'll be just getting the queue's size.
and at the end, if the end word is equal to the whatever with the current word is equal to end word, you are returning that count, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that is correct. Just I will give you some advice, okay? When you are sitting in an interview, try to give the variable names as much significant as it can be. Like should not be a variable name, right? You should be like word count or something like that. That makes some sense, right?
Okay, sir.
Second one
So
is
since
that
I gave UM because it's unordered map, so people used to call them
that is a fine thing in competitive programming, but when it comes to interview, you should give a proper variable, and like you can see on the lead code platform as well, or anything, the variable names are begin word or end word. They can have written at is B and E or start and end, right? But they have use such variable names that signify something, right? Then again, Q of ST, that doesn't mean anything. Or you can write it as transformations. That will make more sense, right? Also, like whenever you are writing anything, just write what you are doing with this approach. Write a one-liner comment in your code. That will make much more sense, okay? And at the end, why are you returning when it is equal? So that interviewer is satisfied with your
one-liner comment. One-liner comment so that he can easily understand it.
Yes. So that will make your chances of getting hired more and more, and from the interviewer's perspective. Okay. So yeah, guys, that was it for this mock interview. I hope you liked it, and we will come up with such more mock interviews. And if you also want to have a mock interview with me, you can book your slot on the topmid.io platform. Okay, and I will be happy to have a mock interview with you. And yeah, thank you, Harikrishna. That was
Thank you, sir. It was great experience for me as well, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. And it's a famous problem from LeetCode, which is word ladder. You can go and check it. I will provide the link in the description. And also, if you want to purchase any of the courses on GeeksForGeeks platform, you can use the coupon code PRGFG10 in order to get that. I will provide all the details in the description. Check it once. And yeah, and if you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you, Harikrishna.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.